was in the original, or at least has a placard saying that possibly he was in the original Dream Cruise. Let me get on it. Okay, and oh no, yeah, that would be right. In '97. Okay, so nice looking car, nice looking Dodge. Let me do a swing here of it so you can take a look at it. Maybe we can get some of the people who are coming by. I can't even get them to come up to the camera. This young gentleman owns this vehicle. We couldn't determine what color it was. It kind of looks like a light tan, but you have it.
Sandstone.
Sandstone, yep. He says. Tell me a little bit about the car. Everybody goes through their own challenge in maintaining these old vehicles. Did you build this yourself?
No, actually I bought it like this last July. It was part of an estate sale.
Really?
Yeah. Yep.
And you rescued it?
I did. I rescued it. Yeah. I did some mechanical work to it, fixed some oil leaks in it, and cleaned it up, and it is what you see now.
You know what? I was just going to ask you if you did your old mechanic work, and
I do.
You do.
I do.
Are you here in the Warren area, roughly?
St. Clair Shores.
Oh, just up the road.
Yes.
Okay. All right. Member here of the church?
No, sir.
I see.
We are members of a church, but it's in St. Clair Shores.
Okay. All right. And you look at here. Wait a minute. I got to get this.
Yeah.
The wife is sneaking in the trunk. I think she's hiding. She heard I wanted to talk to her too. I don't know. Was that what was going on?
She's a cute one. You got to get her in.
Okay, well, you come over here by your husband. You know, I've often wondered, now, the Astro van I have here is an old candidate. Slowly, we're getting that repaired. It's like 27 years old. But I know in my case, it was a lot of money went into the vehicle. Is this kind of an ongoing money deal that keeping this one up for you guys?
Not so far. Not so far. Like I say, I do all the mechanical work, so far it hasn't cost me an arm and a leg.
Oh, I noticed you're not short on either one if your arms and 2 legs. That's a good thing. The wife, I see, has something to say now. Okay.
No, so far, but you have to keep up with things, you know, little minor things to keep it going.
Is this strictly a show car? Do you get out and drive it occasionally?
It's actually set up to run the drag strip.
Oh, really?
Yep. That's
wow.
the gentleman that I bought it from. His father passed away. He lived up in Davison, Michigan, and he used to race it in Lapeer.
Is that right?
Yeah. So it's all set up to run the quarter mile.
Now, you both run the quarter mile with it yet?
No, we have not been there yet.
Not yet.
She would like me to go, but I'm afraid to break something.
You know, I don't blame you.
Because if it breaks, I got to fix it.
I used to cover an awful lot of nationals with the ambulance, and I'd see these things explode and everything else, all kinds of crazy stuff all the time. A lot of stress on the race, I know.
Yeah.
Well, you have a very, very nice car, and I didn't get your first name?
Ron and Diana.
And Diana?
Yes.
Okay, and we understand Ron doesn't want this video up because something about a sign in the post office?
Yeah, the America's Most Wanted. Hopefully he's joking.
Yeah, well, I'll swing by there and give you a call later, let you know, okay? Okay, thank you so much for being here.
Thank you.
Have a good one.
I'm here with another gentleman with a real beautiful Papa's Vroom Vroom car.
Yeah.
Tell me a little bit about your car, please.
It's a 383. It's got a rear end in it, and it's just an ordinary driver.
Okay, and your first name?
Dennis.
Are you roughly from the area here?
Yeah.
Okay. I think I've seen his car out cruising here. I'm not sure. I noticed one thing that was very peculiar on his car that I hadn't seen. And he's got maybe an extra set of gauges, but gauges right up front here on the firewall so we can take a look. Is that for tuning and so forth?
That's why I'm tuning it up.
Wow, that's pretty amazing.
I don't keep running around.
Let's see if I can get a quick shot of those gauges, because that's pretty impressive. Okay. Now, how long have you owned the car?
Since '89.
Okay. We see the old cars, and I guess most everybody wonders, is there a lot of upkeep with them now?
Yeah, they're all pretty much updated. Got to keep working on them, updating them.
Well, they're just beautiful. I'm telling you, people, this thing looks just like brand new. Nice looking car. And, you know, I should get a little bit of a shot of Grandpa's vroom vroom. Now, do the grandkids go out riding this with you?
Yeah. My one grandson, he worked on it from the time he was born.
Is that right?
He was born in 2007, and he's worked on it right to now. And he's the one that's going to get it.
Now, you didn't start him on a trip of mechanic for life, did you?
Yeah.
Okay, so he's going to be wrenching a while, is what you're saying.
Yeah, you got to be wrenching for a while.
Okay. Well, thank you so much for your time.
Sure.
I appreciate it. Nice looking car. I want to get a couple of shots before I walk away. But thank you.
You just threw me under the bus.
You know, I'm trying to talk to this lady and gentleman about their pickup, and she says, no, it's his. But I bet when the bills come, she kind of lets you know. Yeah.
How much did you spend for that?
Yeah, are you sure we needed that?
Yeah.
Honey, the car won't roll without wheels, you know, so.
There you go.
That sounds like my wife anyway. Sometimes she does that to me. She says, why do you have to have those type of wheels? And you're who?
Bob Mansky.
Hi, Bob. This is a beautiful Chevy pickup,
Thank you.
and I compliment you. How long you had it?
8 years.
What year is your pickup?
Okay, it's a 1955 Chevy Series 1. In 55, they made 2 models. This is the first model, Series 1.
Okay, I haven't looked inside. A little 6-cylinder or a V8?
Well, when we got it, it was a yellow farm truck with a 6-cylinder in it.
Okay.
Now it's got a 350 with a mild cam, headers.
And it really moves.
It
doesn't
runs out pretty good. We got it sitting on an S10 frame.
Oh, really?
Yep. And we got disc brakes in the front, drums in the rear.
Having the extra stoppers really helps, I imagine.
Yep. Got air conditioning because Mama needs the air conditioning in the heat.
Don't let him tease you. He likes it too, but he just doesn't let her know. I'm sure. Was that a fight to get the air conditioning in?
It was a job, but we got it.
So that would obviously be aftermarket.
Right.
Okay, and let's hope this guy doesn't run over me coming by.
Yeah, you'd see us.
Okay. Real nice looking Thunder Chicken,
nice
Thunderbird going
Thunderbird.
by. Yeah.
And
So,
that's about all I need to tell you, I guess. I get the whole interiors all done. The woodwork is all mine. Did all the wood and everything in it.
so you're the mechanic and the carpenter on the project.
Yes, sir. Only thing I didn't do is paint. I'm not a painter.
Well, it's certainly a fantastic truck. Thank you for your time. Okay. I've got a young lady here, and this car is of particular interest, and she doesn't understand why, but I had an orange 65 Mustang.
Okay,
Okay, so I can somewhat, what year is yours?
67.
You see, I can somewhat relate to what, 6-cylinder, 8-cylinder?
8.
Okay, all right. Probably runs at automatic or manual?
Automatic.
I've given her all these hard questions. Your first name?
Terry,
Terry, I'm Earl, and Art's over here with us.
nice to meet you.
We are kind of active. Actually, I'm up the road here a half mile, but in the Warren area, we do a lot of nonprofit stuff, some Dem stuff, and so forth. And it gets posted up on the Facebook site and so forth. And
6 people see it.
yeah, 6 people see it. Okay, we've lost a lot since the pandemic. Okay, is this the first time you've been? Okay, I'll move. Is this the first time you've been to a show since the pandemic started?
No, I've been to quite a few this year.
Have you? Yeah, we've seen a few too. It's kind of nice to be back out doing this again, isn't it?
Yes,
Okay. Now, is your car you garage it most of the time, or do you get out and drive it and have a little fun with it, or?
both.
Very
I
nice.
take it to car shows and then it's garage.
I see. And we now have sound effects along with the video. Well, I want to thank you so much. I appreciate it. It's going to be harder for me to talk over this, and probably you too. So, thank you so much. We're going to get some shots around the car. It's
All right,
just
thank
simply gorgeous. Nice job, by the way. Thank you.
you.
One of the neat things that goes on out here at the show is that they take and check out, safety-wise, the vehicles. And we've got one young man working right across here from me, doing just that. Checking the car.
Number 74,
making sure there's no problems with it, and certifying it for a year. You didn't want to switch places?
Nope.
Now, if you folks see and notice, Roy is checking this vehicle out. I think he's found something.
No, I'm just making sure I don't find anything.
Oh, okay. Well, he's,
Okay, I'm going to be calling another number. Everybody must be having lunch.
Okay, try to rock it
I
again.
can't believe it. Number 57, 7 seating.
All right.
I don't know if you folks can see this, but Ron's checking for any play in the tie rods and the alignment and suspension. You can see by just rocking it. So these guys do a great job out here. Always, we've covered them before, and it's always great to have you guys from the NSRA come out.
Well, we appreciate
you. And it's been a while since I've interviewed you, but thanks for coming out.
Just an extra set of eyeballs, that's all.
Who are the owners?
Owners Elwood Bridges and Sherry Bridges.
And roughly where are you from?
We're from Warren, Michigan.
Well, they're right here. They're one of our neighbors. My gosh.
Yeah.
How often do you see a GMC old pickup?
Not
Very
too
rare.
much.
What year is it?
41.
1941.
Yeah.
It is gorgeous.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Okay. Yeah. Did you all do all the work on
All
it?
the work on it, yeah.
Are you an ex-GM employee?
No.
No.
My gosh. Did you work in the automotive industry anywhere?
No.
You're just a very talented individual. Is that
Yes.
it?
Yes.
Yeah.
You made me envious, and I put a lot of time in the car plant. This guy's got, wow, what a vehicle you both have.
Yeah.
Thank
You're to
you.
be complimented. Thank you for bringing it out.
Appreciate it.
Thanks for having us.
just being here so that people can talk to you is a plus. It really is.
Yeah.
Now I notice here, and I'm going to get a close-up of this, that they have his and her steering.
Yeah, this doesn't actually steer.
Yeah,
This is
no.
more for looks, but you can pedal to create a more faster move, which, you know, you can go up to 20 if you
Wow.
pedal enough.
And then also they have dual cell phone holders.
Yep.
That must be pretty great. You guys talking on the phone
Yep,
beside
yep,
each other.
Yep, and we got little horns. Keep us going. He's got an alarm too, so when we walk away, if we want to put an alarm on.
Like that one?
Yeah.
Yeah. And you guys have lights on this vehicle?
Yep.
And
Turn signals.
yes. I live right down the road from them actually. We're on a 13 mile and they go by quite often.
Yeah, we
Okay.
ride it like it's our car. Oops, there's a bee here. Oh gosh.
Yeah, you see the drive wheel here on the back. That's a pretty wide wheel. That's pretty neat. I want to get another shot the other way, but they also help this by pedaling. So they get to ride sometimes for free, but lots of other times get to pedal.
Yeah, we even go grocery shopping with it.
Oh my goodness.